In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change list view in Dhgate 2026 step by step. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to dhgate.com. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device, but the layout controls are easiest to spot on desktop. Give the page a second to load completely so every menu appears. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where Dhgate keeps its main navigation. If you don't see a panel there, try maximizing your window or scrolling slightly. On some screens, the menu collapses into a compact icon that expands when you hover or click. Next, select all categories. This opens up the full catalog so you can browse everything in one place. From here, choose the category you want to explore. The exact category doesn't affect the view change, so pick whatever you're shopping for. To make this clear, I'll use apparel as the example. Click into apparel and then narrow it further by choosing a subcategory. For this walkthrough, we'll go into fabric. You can use any subcategory you like. We're just using fabric to show where the layout controls appear on a typical listing page. Now that you're on a product listing page, look toward the right-hand side of the results area. This is where Dhgate places sorting and display options. Near the top of the product grid, you should see two small icons that represent the available layouts. Those two icons are your view toggles. One icon switches to list view, and the other switches to gallery view. Gallery view is a grid of product cards, great for scanning lots of items visually. List view rearranges the same products into a taller, stacked format, often giving you more text per item, which can be useful for comparing titles, specs, or seller details without opening each product. To switch, simply click the list view icon. It usually looks like stacked horizontal lines. The page will refresh the layout instantly, keeping you in the same category and on the same results, just presented in the list format. If you change your mind, you can click the gallery icon, which typically looks like a grid of small squares, to switch back. A couple of quick tips. If the icons don't respond right away, wait a moment for the page scripts to finish loading, or do a quick refresh. Your browser may remember your last view choice, and if you're signed in, Dhgate may keep that preference for future sessions. And that's it. You've successfully changed the listing layout on Dhgate to list view.